Hey everybody, tonight we are here with Jayson. Jayson's one of our young members who's been working on his beautiful 92 Camaro for quite a while. Jayson, how you doing, brother?
Not too bad, not too bad.
Good. Tell us a little bit about your car, what you've done to it.
So this is my 1992 Camaro. I bought this when I was 15 in my sophomore year of high school with my dad. And it was $1,500 not running. As you can see, the car still isn't perfect. But
Looks good to me.
yeah, it's definitely much better than what it was. Still got some rust and everything, but this car was not running. The interior was all cracked, and it was still the stock 92 interior. The paint was still the same red, all cracked and chipped. It's a 305 TBI with a 700 R4. My original goal was to end up swapping it, but obviously I'm a high schooler living off of pizza boy money, so I'm trying to keep it going. I did as much as I could with my solid pizza income, and it's come pretty far.
Let me tell you, I've been watching you do this with your dad, and you've come so far with this car. Everything about it is beautiful. Show us the engine.
So it's still the stock 305.
Yeah.
There is a few things done to it. It has a full exhaust, so it's Headman headers and white pipe.
But the best thing about it, do you take auto mechanics in school or anything?
I'm currently taking auto body at Bosie's.
Auto body at Bosie's?
Yes.
Awesome.
I
love it when you do it yourself.
Yes, sir. So yeah, stock 305.
Yeah.
It's got Headman headers on it. Everything's just routed all crappily right now because it was just done not too long ago. It's got a cheap, Mr. Gasket intake on it just to pull some more air, and that's kind of it. I did the whole cooling system when I first bought the car to originally get it running. And this is kind of how it sits. I daily this car to high school. It's my first car, only car.
You still driving this to school?
I'm 17, driving this to school every day.
You got the coolest car in the lot, don't you?
It is pretty cool. It gets parked on my high school street, so everyone, it's fun parallel parking this thing and seeing the reactions.
That is terrific.
Sitting on C5 Corvette wheels. I love the way that they look.
Me too.
Spins them pretty fine,
Yeah.
It's good. I just love the way it looks right now. Solid daily driver somehow. And can't kill a 305, so it just keeps on moving.
Great job. Really do. Like I said, I watched Jayson with his dad. They work on the cars together. Dad's got a second-gen Camaro. And it's just a really nice story of father and son getting together and working on a car. But Jayson, thanks so much for sharing your story with me.
Of course.
And the crowd. And we'll see you again next Tuesday.
Of course.
Thanks.